So I just ordered this swimming pool light. LED, it's supposed to be RGB with the remote control. It has 7 color modes and some different light shows. I'm about to install it on my lights, and I'll show you how it looks after and give you a full review of it. My existing lights right now that I have is the halogen light, and it has blown out a couple of times, so I figured it's time to go LED. This bulb is a 45 watts LED bulb. So as you can see, there's a bunch of lights. In the back there's an antenna booster to help with the remote control. And here you also have the user manual. This is the updated version. So I can't wait to see how it looks. And I also ordered a new set of gasket. It comes in the pair. So I will change out one and one to keep for backup to use in the future. And as you can see, this is my old bulb. It's already blown out. You can hear the wire got loose inside, but one of this bulb is 500 watts, equal about 10 of the new LED lights that I just ordered. So I'm gonna save a lot of electricity charge. All right, I have my tools here. Let's go over there and change it out. Now, before you do anything with electrical on your pool, make sure you turn off all your breaker off. This is my main panel to the pool. I had already turned off my main breaker in my house, so I would also turn this off just to make sure everything is not live. This is the light. So all you need to do is remove one screw on top and you can take the light off. I'm not gonna get into the pool. I'm just gonna lay down and unscrew it and bring it up here so I can install the little light bulbs. All right, so here's the light. This is the only single screw that you have to remove to take the lights up. I'm gonna use 2 small towels to lay the lights down. That way I don't have to scratch anything. So if they install the light correctly, you should have enough slack extra wire to bring the light up on the patio so that you can take it out. This is the only screw you have to remove, and then you can get access to the light bulbs. All right, so here it is. I had already removed the old bulbs the other day, and I'm gonna wipe this down, clean it real good on both sides, and install my new light bulbs and put in the new light gasket. And keep in mind to remember to test the light bulbs to make sure everything working correctly before you put this piece down into the pool and before you put it back together. Okay, so I have the new light bulbs in. Just give it a few twists, make sure it is tightened until you can't turn it anymore. Also had this clean out and the new light gasket in. So now I'm gonna go back to turn on my breaker and make sure the light turns on before I can put it down. Okay, so I have the light bulbs installed. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Not sure is it the spa or the pool lights, so I'm gonna turn on both. Let's go check it out and see. Okay, so here we are. The light did came on, and you can see right now it's on the mode where it's alternating between colors, and it is very bright, as you can see. So now I'm gonna turn off the breaker and put the light back into the pool, and we'll see how bright it is in the water. All right, so I got the light in the water. It looks a lot brighter on video, but it is not as bright in person. So it cannot get all the way over there. It's very dull over there. I also bought a set of spa light, which is for the spa, and that I have that that's the Pent Air, the smaller kind. So I'm gonna install it now and show you how it looks all together. Once I have it installed, I'm gonna show you what light I ordered. It is the Olympus Spotlight. It is the smaller one. I think it's the T4. So this is the Olympus light bulb. I'm gonna take it out and show you how it looks. Here you go. This is the T4 light bulbs. It is very heavy. It looks like it's kind of small, but it is very heavy. It is bigger than I thought though. When I ordered it on Amazon, I look at the picture. It seems pretty small, but it is as this is how it looks on my hand. This is a 120 volts, 15 watts bulbs. All right, let's go over there and install it and show you how it looks. So the process is going to be the same as when I took out the big lights. It's going to be the same. I have one over here and one on the spa. So it's going to be the same process. So I got this light, the small light out. This is also the pan air, but on this one you have to cut this clips out, because the way this light works is those clips are not going to work for this light. So you have to cut that light out as close as you can. That way you can twist the T4 end into that light. So there, as you can see, I clip it out as close as I can on both. Now I'm gonna twist the lights in. Okay, I got the lights in. It's kind of hard to twist them because you barely have extra space to work around to hold it. But I got it in. Now I'm gonna turn on the breaker and make sure it comes on. Okay, so the breaker is on, and it is on right now, as you can see. I'm gonna put it back in the water and to show you how bright it is with both lights. All right, so this is the finished product. I have all three lights in. I need to buy the battery for the remote before I can change it all to the same color. But as you can see, the spotlight is changing color now. And that's one of the other small lights. And that's the 45 watts over there. It has 7 color mode and some other light show mode. Let me show you. So there you go. I have it turned to alternating color. Overall, it is a pretty good deal in my opinion. It is the bulbs that I have is $99, the big one, and the two small one are $80, which is 15 watts. They are not really bright, but I mean, with all three bulbs, the color kind of balance out a little bit. I'm so lucky. Right after I finished, the rain pouring down hard. But this is how it looks. I will leave the link to the light in the description box below for any of you that wanted to pick up one. It's on Amazon. I really love the way it turned out. It saved me a ton of money by having to buy the Pan Air original LED lights, which cost about $1,000 each, and then I have to call people out to install it. So I'm saving about $3,000 just by changing out the light bulbs. So if you want to get the exact one, I'll leave the link down below, and let me know how you guys like it in the comment section.